I was in Paris and I was just walking around the streets. This is one of my favorite things to do when I'm traveling. I travel with the intention of finding local jewelry designers in every cities I go. That's how I collect my jewelry. So then happily I found a very amazing local designer in Paris, and just look how amazing is this monkey. So this dish, I have only 4 pieces to show you today from the Parisian collection. Very special design for special people who want to shine crazy. These are very wow ring, and actually you can have in any animal you want, made by silver, with silver, and all the crystals are zirconia crystal in different colors. So we have the jaguar. Look how amazing is this jaguar, I'm in love. And then we have the monkey. Oh my god, I love this monkey. This is seriously, just say yes in the comment below how much this monkey is amazing. I love it. And then we have the bee, actually bees. This is 2 bees in here, and then we have 1 bee. All these rings are adjustable, so it fits to any size finger. You can easily adjust the size, tighten it, or make it open and make it big. Okay, this is my love, the monkey. Oh, this is my sweetheart. We have the jaguar. This is my second favorite one. Look, wow, how powerful is this ring. When you have such jewelry on you, one is enough. One talks a lot. So you can just have one statement ring and go like wild. Then the bee is a bit smaller size, not as big as the jaguar and monkey, but still it's very cute. Look, so very easy, you can adjust the size you see in here, so then you can tighten it or just widen it. And then we have this one, as you see. I have a video I made specifically about bees, and if you're a bee lover, check that video, and we'll see you soon next Wednesday here. So much love is always here at Maral Kunst Jewelry Land.